In this video, we will briefly introduce the role of data engineer and look at the role they play within local industries and share common technologies and professional certifications. These professionals are the architects of data systems. They design and build the infrastructure that allows data to flow seamlessly from various sources to databases where it can be analyzed. By ensuring that data is clean, reliable, and easily accessible, data engineers empower businesses to make better decisions, improve customer experiences, and enhance operational efficiency. In the core data engineering role, examples of commonly used technologies include SQL, which is a foundational skill for querying and managing relational databases. Python, a versatile programming language widely used for scripting, data manipulation, and building data pipelines. Apache Kafka, a distributed streaming platform that facilitates real-time data ingestion and processing. Apache Airflow, an open-source workflow orchestration tool. If you're considering a professional certification, look into cloud-specific options that are commercially popular and relevant to your environment. Notable certifications include those within enterprise cloud technologies, Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS, or certifications within commercial cloud data platforms like Snowflake or Databricks.